Okay, before moving on, you should know that there are 7 elements that when they're never really by themselves, they always pair up. And I'll tell you what they are right now. They're called diatomic elements. Di meaning 2, atomic meaning atoms. So they're paired together. And there are 7 of them. They're oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, nitrogen, iodine, hydrogen, and bromine. There's 2 ways to remember them. One is you can put them in order and make a word. That word would be, one word would be Brinclov. I guess that's one word. I'm sure you can make others. That'd be a really fun challenge. Another way to remember them is that there are 7 of them. They start at element number 7, and they make a 7 right here. It's nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And then you have to remember hydrogen off on the left-hand side there. That's another way you can remember the sneaky 7. And so in a reaction, you'd say, like, whatever, blah reacts with oxygen. Your job is to remember that this is never by itself. And so you'd have blah plus O2. And you have to remember that 2 goes right there to indicate that it's a sneaky 7 element. Okay? So an example for that would be if you had, let's say, magnesium metal reacts with hydrogen chloride in solution to make magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. So any element can be by itself as long as it's not a sneaky 7. So magnesium metal, just by itself, magnesium. And it's a metal, it's a solid. Reacts with hydrogen chloride in solution. Hydrogen is +1, chlorine is -1. So HCl, it's in solution, so it's Ag or AQ, aqueous. To make magnesium chloride, magnesium is +2 now, and chlorine is -1, so it's MgCl2. And then hydrogen gas, that's the trick. Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is never by itself. It's always paired, so hydrogen, even though it doesn't say hydrogen 2, and then G for gas. Okay? And then you have to balance it like we regularly would do by putting a 2 right there. And so those are 2 kinds of reactions that you would go from words into symbols with, and some things that you need to remember about them.